turn up a little bit.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Indiana, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, East Central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, until 1:15 p.m. At 7:16 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indiana, Homer City, Blairsville, Black Lick, Clymer, Rural Valley, West Lebanon, New Florence, Chevy Chase Heights, Seward, Ernest, Marion Center, Cherry Tree, Creekside, Plumville, Glen Campbell, Armagh, Atwood, Lucin Mines, and Dixonville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Okay then.